What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. So this is part 1 of 2 from our Dubai trip, and in this episode we head into the desert, bit of sandboarding, dune bashing and some other fun stuff. So I hope you enjoy. Click that subscribe button, click the like button, let's get into it. What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So we're out here in Dubai, and the first few days has been super chill. Haven't really filmed too much, but today we've got a really epic trip planned. My fiance got this as a surprise gift for me, and basically we're going out into the desert. We're going to go camelback riding, dune bashing, sandboarding and quad biking, I think, and we also get some food out in the desert as well in a traditional sort of way. So I'm going to take you along for the ride, so that should be really cool. But let's just jump into the charts. I'll show you a trade that I've had today, and let's see if we can find another one. Let's go. Then guys, just jumping onto the charts here. This is a trade I had earlier on Euro GBP. Wasn't able to film this, but basically pretty simple trade. Okay, we've got the overnight highs and lows here. Okay, you can see that marked out with this. We then, if we jump down to the 5-minute chart, you can see we had this insane supply zone. So price came up into the supply zone. I was just basically waiting for price to come up into here, fill all the fair value gaps, which it did, as you can see. You can see this wick up. We had a strong volume down, and we entered on the break of this candle's low as we normally do. First TP is at 1-to-1, which is down here, and that eventually came down there like that. I had 2 positions here, closed one out in full, and I've closed the other one for 80%. So we've got 20% of the second position running, which is nice. And we're just going to let this one go, because hopefully we can get down to our full TP, which is down here, which has got some interesting point of interest, which is the reason why I've chosen it. So we'll see how this one goes. We might have to come back to this one after the trip. But let's just jump into charts. I'm going to see if I can find anything else lining up before we go out, but I might not take any trades because we've only got an hour until we head out. So let's see. I have found a trade which I've just entered. Basically, pretty simple trade. We had a potential breakout of the overnight lows here. Didn't take this trade, and I'm glad we didn't, because that was definitely didn't work out. It was actually a fake out, and the fake out with a break back in would have actually been the better play. But we have just had a fake out again. Okay, price has pushed up. We've actually closed literally just inside the low here, and price has pushed down, breaking this candle's low. This was blue a second ago, which is why I took the sell. And we're just looking for a 1-to-1 to come down to here, because this is a new demand zone. Okay, if I go down to the lower time frames, in fact, let's do that right now. We go down to the 5-minute. You can see that down here, we've got that start of the big push up. So I'm looking for price to potentially come down, break into the zone and continue to the downside. So let's see how it goes, and we'll come back when we've got some more info. Okay guys, so that candle that we entered on has now flipped bearish again and is pushing down into the zone, indicating a good chance that we're going to continue to the downside, as this is now a fake out. If we look to the left here, we have got an area which has been reacted upon. This is almost like a supply zone, because from here we had this push down and we broke structure to the left. So we're going to see how this goes. I'm going to look for potential management a little bit closer to 1-to-1 here, because I have something to do. Obviously we're going out in a minute, so I want to make sure that I'm not leaving this to run and losing out. So we'll see what we do when we get to the bottom of this candle here, and if we get to the bottom of this candle here, and yeah, we'll just keep on watching. Then guys, back to GJ, and that last 30-minute candle sort of closed with an indecision. So it held on, and the next candle has now pushed down with volume, breaking that candle's low, heading down to the point of our first sort of management area, which is going to be the break of these 2 candles here. So still looking good, and I may take some profit out in a second, because we have to head out in about half an hour, and I don't want to leave this running without it. So we're getting some more volume here. Right, we'll see how it goes, and I'll manage this as I see fit. Oh, there we go. Okay, pushing down, there's the bing. Right, I'm going to take some profits now. I'll be back in a second. Then guys, so I've taken some profits now, and you may have noticed also that I brought my stop loss down to above this high, because if we had broken above this high, then that would have been basically price is going to continue to the upside. We have got high impact news at 12 o'clock for the GBP. This is really pushing down now, which is nice. So I'm going to look for price to continue, and then I may close this out for in a second. And that's a great start to the day before we go away and check out this desert malarkey. So let's see how it goes, and yeah, I'm going to leave this part of the video here. The next part will be us heading out on the trip. Let's go. It's time to go. I'm so excited for this. This is going to be awesome. Especially to ride a camel. That's going to be something very different. Quad bikes. We got 350cc.
Yep.
And then sandboarding. But just got to remember that the sandboarding's not like snowboarding, where if it goes in your shorts, it melts. It'll just stay in there for the rest of the day. So try not to fall over. I'm gonna get some water. Ready to rock and roll, baby. That was insane. Right, it's time for some sandboarding, apparently. There we have it. I hope you enjoyed that. We certainly did.
Part 2 will be out very soon, but if you haven't already, go check out the other channels. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and go check out the other videos. We are a trading channel which focuses on price action trading, but we also will have some vlog content as well if that's what you're looking for. So please give a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.